Welcome back to the channel guys. Today I'm going to show you how to split screen on your MacBook so you can multitask like a pro. So let's get started. First, open the two apps or windows you want side by side. For now, I simply want my Google and my App Store to be side by side. So after opening any two apps or windows you want, on the top left corner of any window you will see the three colored buttons. As you can see here, there are three colored buttons, red, yellow and green. Hover your mouse over the green full screen button as you can see here. After you hover it, a small menu will pop up and you will see options like tile window to left of screen or tile window to right of screen. Click one of them and the window will snap to that side. Simply click it. As you can see, now it is already in my left side. For this window as well, I will do the same. Now as you can see, both the windows are side by side without overlapping each other, and you can multitask through this method easily. If you want to adjust the size, drag the delivery line in the middle or left. To exit split screen, move your cursor to the top and click the green button again. If you want to exit this, you can simply click there. As you can see, I can even resize it as I want. And that's it. Super quick and super easy way to work with two apps at once. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more MacBook tips. I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.